Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to back up your local files to your Google Drive in 2025 and how you can keep them safe, accessible, and synced across the devices. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Google Drive for desktop. You will be able to find the first link from support.google.com. So you need to just click over here. Once you click over here, simply just scroll down a bit and you can download Google Drive for Windows and for Mac. So click on the download for Windows and its setup will be started downloading in your device. Now once it is downloaded successfully, you need to double click on it and install it successfully in your PC or laptop. Inside it, you will have to log in into your account. Now, once you have done that, if you come here in your folders, in the right hand section, as you can see, I have OneDrive. Similarly, you are going to see the Google Drive option over here in the left hand section. So here you can click on the folder and then you can basically start using it as you use your drive in your web browser. So with the help of this section, you will be able to basically add the files and the folders in your Google Drive. So here you can select the local files as well that you want to backup, like the documents, the photos, or any type of custom folders. You will be asked whether you want to back up to the Google Drive, Google Photos, or both. So you can choose accordingly. Once you are done, simply click on the save and the done option and your files will start uploading. It is going to be taking some time, so you will have to be patient about it. You can also come here in Google Drive in your web browser and now you can just click on the option of computers here in the left hand section. Over here you can make sure that everything is synced before closing your laptop or turning off your Wi-Fi. So that's how you can back up your local files to Google Drive in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.